Prove. Proof of concept prototype. It's a purpose to demonstrate the possibilities of a new process or manufacturing technology. Understand the basic principles of machinery from the very beginning. Now we are the one making new technologies. We accept the challenge. Integrate the entire team. R&D, design, manufacture. Sufficient knowledge. Continuously practice and experiment through data research and analysis. Bringing together skills and passion. Advanced technology and craftsmanship are integrated here. Fulfills different needs until it becomes the perfect state. Provide you with the best food solutions. You name it. HM makes it.